In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Us30 to Metatrader 5. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening Metatrader 5 and making sure the platform is fully loaded. We're going to reveal the list of tradable instruments because that's where we'll add Us30. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+M. That toggles the Market Watch window, which is the panel that shows all available symbols you can view and trade. With Market Watch visible, look for the Add option and click it. This opens the symbol search so you can find instruments that aren't currently displayed. In the search field, type US30. Depending on your broker, US30 may appear under slightly different names such as Dow Jones or similar variations. The key is to pick the version your broker supports. Once you see it, click on it to add it to your Market Watch list so it's ready for trading and charting. Now that US30 is available, it's time to place a trade. Click on New Order to open the order window. At the top, choose the correct symbol if it's not already selected, and then choose the order type you want to use. For most quick entries, market execution places an order at the current price. If you prefer to set a trigger at a specific price, you can choose a pending order type instead. This choice determines how and when the trade will execute. Next, set your volume. This controls your position size, so take a moment to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and your broker's contract specifications for indices. Then fill in your stop loss and take profit levels. Stop loss helps cap your downside if the market moves against you, while take profit locks in gains automatically when price reaches your target. You can use recent highs and lows, key levels, or your strategy's rules to guide these numbers. When everything looks right, click Sell if you think price is heading lower, or Buy if you expect it to rise. Your order will be processed based on the order type you selected. Keep an eye on spreads, especially during volatile periods or around market opens, and be aware of session times and daily rollovers that can affect pricing. That's it. You opened Metatrader 5, showed the Market Watch window with Ctrl+M, added US30 to your list, opened a new order, chose your symbol and order type, set your volume and risk parameters, and executed the trade with sell or buy. Pause and replay any part as needed, and practice on a demo account if you're testing a new approach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.